Hello everyone, I am Naveen Pratap, team leader of Divine Vision. I'm a kind of person who loves traveling and explore our culture. That's why we made to choose this problem statement to work on. Me and my team familiar with immersive AR technology and their potential. So I'm going to start with a short story of Mohan. This is Mohan, okay? So Mohan is a school teacher, lives in a small town of Uttar Pradesh. He lives with his wife and two children. During festival, he planning for a small trip with his family to visit any religious place. So he started browsing on internet, saw many heritage sites, but still confused to decide one. His wife asked with the relative, but both of them very doubtful where to go first, which is best for their small trip. So, during all these struggles, Mohan find an AR-based app which gives the 3D tour, which gives a 3D tour of their favorite sites in their wish list, like whatever he planned to go. So, the best part is they see 3D heritage in their surrounding in real world with their smartphone. They see with the augmented reality with the help of their smartphone. Even the app run smoothly and narrate story about the heritage which make it more interesting, more knowledgeable. So after enjoying the AR tour, Mohan finally decided to go Jagannath temple at Puri. So here that is exactly what our project aims to do. So further we move to our SIH PPT and we gonna explain one by one. So we start with our title page. This is our idea PPT in which we select the problem title AR based cultural heritage preservation platform. This is a software problem and the name of our team is Divine Vision, means Divya Drishti. So we move to the next idea title page. Here we primarily focused on making an AR based app which workflow is look like this, where user can interact with UI, where they open the apps, he slide and select the heritage site of different states of India. Okay, so they select a 3D model and choose resolution like according to their internet speed. If they choose standard quality, so the 3D model load easily and work on a very low internet. But if they choose high quality resolution, they see a high quality video but it's need more internet. And the next, he automatic AR model loaded. The AR model is displayed in their screen and the step by step guide is mentioned to help the user how to use this AR app. And they also enjoy the audio text libraries, which is a kind of, and the next they can download it to use offline and also book journey. And this is the uniqueness of our project, like increase tourism with 360-degree tour, AI based narration. I mentioned earlier that they have a gamified platform. It means we add additional features like quiz and puzzles game to increase the learning and give rewards to user which make their learning more interactive. And secondary thing is our website, where the UI is same. Website is also work like an application, but here they get a QR code so they can scan the QR and enjoy the AR 3D view in another device. So where people can share and give their feedback, and the whole experience is adaptive, means the user can easily anywhere anytime enjoy the 3D view with their smartphone. Now we come to the technical approach, where we use a programming language like Java for Android app, C Sharp for Unity, for their logic and front end, and for the website development we use HTML, CSS and Python. And the most important thing is framework, in which we use AR 3D core to make a augmented reality application, and a Blender to get the 3D model of rarest. The next one we use Android Studio, VS Code for coding part, and we use database storage to upload and store all the 3D models on Firebase SQLite Cloud CDN. That's why it helps to get used as offline. I mean, if we upload the models on a Firebase and SQLite, so the user can download it and use offline. And other extra tools like Google Translate API for translation for multilingual parts, and Google TTS audio, and React game libraries for gaming part. So technical approach, how we come to our solution. So first we collect the data from multiple sources. We go and talk like all the facts, not the rumors. Like we see in India, there are a lot of unethical rumors are moving around. So we filtered the real data to add in our model. And the next one, we create a 3D model and make the AR of that 3D model using Unity and integrate with our application. And the fourth part, database and syncing. And the fifth part, we make the process optimized, the whole application optimized. We use CDN and feature integration so that our app uses low bandwidth to work on every type of things. And the last part is testing and deployment. And there is an admin who can update and upload the next model we make in future, so that a user can enjoy a variety of in future and make their journey more interactive. The next part is feasibility and viability. So this is the prototype. This is the prototype, how the user interface look like, where user can tap the play button and use and see the 3D AR models. These are the challenges. I have mentioned everything in this PPT, like large 3D model cause a slow loading. So we use .glb file and GTFL file for lightweight 3D models. And AR device compatibility. So AR does not support some devices, so we use extra plugins like AR Foundation, so we can easily run on every type of device. Or data collection, 3D model creation, use Blender, low bandwidth and for low bandwidth and Firebase sync delays, we host a 3D model on a CDN, use SQLite Cloudflare. And for feature integration like UX, user interface, for deployment and multilingual support and quizzes, we use Google Translate API and step guide bundles. Where how our AR based application enhanced tourism engagement. It's also preserve the culture, easy to access, help in tourism growth, educational value, provide to the tourist, so that global reach. With the virtual tour, user rising from millions to millions after Corona. So here we see the digitalization part, which is growing very rapidly in the tourism sector, which help most. And the last part is research and reference. So in this part, we have research over multiple sites like Digital Heritage Initiative, Niti Aayog, Science Direct, Unity, SLOID, Scientific Report, and India AI to get the data that how our application help the tourism sector, why it is important, and what is the need of this AR application. So everything we got researched very well, and our team is working on them. This is the research part. Thank you very much.